Hi guys, welcome to Pragma Coder. So today I will show you how to install OpenClaw. So first things first, OpenClaw is a open source self-hosted AI platform wherein we have agents which runs locally in your machine, and these agents can be used to automate our day-to-day life tasks like reviewing your emails and replying to them, booking your flight tickets, viewing your restaurants and booking the restaurant tables, and it can write code for you. It can help you in a lot more ways. So let's get started. So we have OpenClaw.ai. Here we can see the official documentation, and yeah, for installing OpenClaw there is a simple way. So one way, like if at all if you're using Mac OS or Linux, then this is how we can do via terminal, or from if you're using a Windows, then you can use this command as well. So first you need to open PowerShell and then just execute this command. Since I'm using Mac OS, I'll be using this, and I will just quickly wait. So this will actually cover node installation as well. See, installing node for me. We don't need to do anything else, just one command. This will do everything for us. Okay, it installed node in my machine. Now it's installing OpenClaw. Here you can see it's installing OpenClaw. Okay, it installed OpenClaw in my machine, and we can see OpenClaw installed successfully. Starting the setup now. So first things first, it is about security. There is a security warning that OpenClaw is a hobby project and still in beta. Expect sharp edges. This bot can read files and run actions if tools are enabled. A bad prompt can trick it into doing unsafe things. So basically what they are mentioning is, since these are bots, and if we give access, since these rely like these are running in our local machine, so if we grant access to the secured information or something, then the consequences can be different if we don't have guardrails. So that's what this security warning is about. I understand, and okay, I'm proceeding further. So onboarding mode, we have two ways. One is quick start and the other is manual. I will choose quick start. Now model, OpenAI, Anthropic. For now, I'm choosing skipping for now. We can configure it later. And filter by models. Let's say all providers. Let's say some dummy default model, and we will use Ollama for this. So right now I'm just saying this. We can change it at any point of time. So we can even integrate these agents to the channels like your Telegram, WhatsApp messaging, Discord, Slack, lot more. So for now I'm just skipping it. So we can even configure the skills as well. So for now I'm not configuring the skills. We can even hook the things up. So for now I'm skipping these things as well. And we were asked to enter space to select, so I'm skipping it for now. Now this creates a gateway service. So gateway service is like a heart of this whole OpenClaw. So what gateway is, basically it do show you everything, like from there you actually chat with OpenClaw agents and set up things. We have skills, so a lot more. We can get back to that in a minute. See, the gateway got opened, and this is what we are viewing. So here you can see the chats, overview, channels, if at all, if you configured, WhatsApp or Telegram or Discord, like that. And here you can see instances, and here you can see sessions, and we can track the usage as well, like how much daily usage of things are happening. We can configure cron jobs. Right now there are no cron jobs at the moment configured. And here you can see all the agents. So right now I have one main agent, which is, I selected Ollama Qwen for now. It's just a dummy one. We can always add it. And here you can see skills, and then the different nodes. Here you can configure everything for your agents, skills, hooks, and yeah. And here you can see all the logs happened so far. So once we do this, we need to either configure one of the cloud model which can these agents can use to. So basically, models are nothing but a brain to these AI agents. So they need to think and give us the answers based on our questions or the tasks. So we have local models and at the same time cloud models as well. So local models are nothing but we pull those open source models into our system and run them via Ollama or LLM Studio. Likewise, we have cloud models as well, wherein we get the API tokens and take subscriptions from those platforms, and that's how we wire up these models. So right now, let's try with Ollama. So first, install Ollama. Here you can see Ollama. So let's try installing Ollama. So while it's getting installed, we can even see these ones as well. There is a health check, there is a optional apps, control UI, like we can see what the things are happening. We have a dashboard as well. We have web search. I mean, we can have TUI, terminal user interface. Okay, now it got installed. Let's just verify. Okay, looks it's installed. Now if we go back, we can see Ollama for OpenClaw. So what we need to do is just launch it from here. So we can run a model, launch Claude code, codecs, and all that stuff. So first, let's run a model. I would say Qwen3 8B. So the approx size is around 11 GB. Since it's not downloaded, I'm going to download it. So the total size is 5.2 GB downloaded file size. This will take some time based on your internet speed. So let's see what these are. Dashboard ready with token, open in your browser. So that's what I mentioned. This is basically the gateway. That's where we control OpenClaw. While this model is getting downloaded, let's copy this gateway somewhere. Okay, looks it downloaded the model now. Okay, success. See now the gateway. Now we can check the status is okay, and see here as we configured the current one, Ollama Qwen3 8B. So this is the primary model now. We can even add fallback models as well. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next time. Bye bye.